Dear students, now we are going to start another one question of linear programming problem. Our question is, using simplex method, maximize z is equals to 5x1 plus 7x2 subject to 2x1 plus 3x2 is less or equals to 13. Similarly, another one, 3x1 plus 2x2 is less or equals to 12, and x1, x2 is greater or equals to 0. Now, how can we solve this question? Solution. Here, we have to solve this question by using simplex method. So, we have to suppose slack variables. So, let here x1 and x2, so we suppose x3 and x4 be the non-negative slack variables. Then the linear programming problem can be written as, this is the standard form, can be written as, here at first we have 2x1 plus 3x2, so we'll write here 2x1 plus 3x2 plus, we have another one slack variable x3 is equals to 13. Next one is 3x1 plus 2x2 plus x4. Here is x3 and here is x4. These two are non-negative slack variables. This is equals to 12. And then next one is z is equals to, we have 5x1 plus 7x2, 5x1 plus 7x2, which gives here 2x1 plus 3x2 plus x3, and then plus we can write 0 times x4 because we don't have here x4, so 0 times x4, and then again plus 0 times z is equals to 13 because there is no z also, so 0 times z is also 0, 0 times x4 is also 0. So we have 2x1 plus 3x2 plus x3 is equals to 13. Similarly, yes, I think you guessed already. How can we write this one? 3x1 plus 2x2 plus, here is no x3, so 0 times x3 we can write here, and then x4 is only one x4, so we can write x4, no z, so we can write 0 times z is equals to 12. Similarly, we have to write this also, but here 5x1 plus 7x2 in RHS side. If we'll bring this one in LHS side, minus 5x1 plus, again we have here minus this 7x2 also, 7x2 plus, here is no x3 and x4, so 0 times x3 plus 0 times x4 plus, here is z, so we can write z is equals to यो 5x1 7x2 यहाँ हामीले सबै LHS साइडमा ल्याइसकेपछि इज इक्वल्स टु के हुन्छ 0 हुन्छ। अब यसलाई चाहिँ हामी के गर्दै छौं भन्दा सिम्प्लेक्स टेबली फर्ममा हामीले देखाउँदै छौं। अब हामी यसलाई सिम्प्लेक्स टेबली यो फर्ममा देखाउनको लागि हामीले अब हेरौँ है त, we can write here x1 हामीले यसमा बेसिक भेरिएबल्सहरु नलेख्दा पनि फरक पर्दैन x1 then x2 and then x3 and then x4 then z then RHS क्लोज गर्थ्यौं यसलाई now अब हामी यसमा हेर्दैछौं यहाँ हामी यसलाई चाहिँ अब कसरी हेर्दैछौं हामीले यसलाई डाइरेक्ट लाइन तान्दै पनि हुन्छ अथवा हामीले नताने पनि खास फरक पर्दैन ओके लेट्स लुक हियर x1 is 2 and then x2 is 3 x3 is 1 and x4 is 0 and then z is also 0 and RHS is 13 similarly here 3 and then 2 0 and x4 1 is coefficient is 1 and then z is 0 and then RHS is 12 similarly we have here minus 5 minus 7 and then 0 again 0 there is 1 and then here is 0 now we have to find here pivot एलिमेन्ट हामीले फाइन्ड आउट गर्नुपर्ने छ त्यसको लागि हामीले चाहिँ लास्ट हेर्नुस् त लास्ट हामीले चाहिँ रो हेर्नुपर्ने छ लास्ट रोमा सबभन्दा लार्जेस्ट नन नेगेटिभ नम्बर कुन छ त नेगेटिभ नम्बर कुन छ हामीले हेर्छौं लास्ट इन्ट्रीमा हियर this -7 is the most negative entry in the last row यो लास्ट रो को हेर्नुस् त सबभन्दा स्मलेस्ट भनेको यो -7 हो जुन नेगेटिभमा छ नेगेटिभ स्मलेस्ट नम्बर भनेको -7 हो त्यसकारणले अब हाम्रो चाहिँ यो के भयो त भन्दा यो सेकेन्ड फर्स्ट यो हामीले कलम यो सेकेन्ड कलम चाहिँ हाम्रो पिभट कलम भयो सो सेकेन्ड कलम इज द पिभट column since अब हामीले पिभट कलम फाइन्ड आउट गरिसकेपछि हामीले चाहिँ यसको रेशियो निकाल्नु पर्ने हुन्छ यो हाम्रो पिभट कलम भइसक्यो त्यसकारणले हामीले चाहिँ अब हेर्नुस् त यो यसलाई हामीले चाहिँ पिभट कलम हेर्यौं 13 डिवाइड बाइ 3 13 डिवाइड बाइ 3 इज इक्वल टु 4.3 हुन आयो त्यस्तै फेरि अर्को दिस 12 डिवाइड बाइ 2 12 डिवाइड बाइ 2 इज इक्वल टु 6 एन्ड अब के आयो हेर्नुस् त यो 4.3 चाहिँ यो 4.3 6 भन्दा के छ स्मल छ 4.3 इज लेस देन 6 त्यसकारणले अब हेर्नुस् है त यो 4.3 स्मलेस्ट यसको आयो यो 4.3 भनेको 13 डिवाइड बाइ 3 गर्दाखेरि आयो त्यसकारणले यो हाम्रो के भयो त भन्दा यस पिभट एलिमेन्ट भयो सो 3 इज द पिभट एलिमेन्ट यसरी हामीले यो पिभट एलिमेन्ट फाइन्ड आउट गर्नु थियो वी फाउन्ड दिस पिभट एलिमेन्ट नाउ we have to make this pivot element 1 यसलाई 1 बनाउनलाई we have to apply this is R1 first row हो R1 tends to applying R1 changes into 1/3 R1 भन्यो भने हेर्नुस् त यसलाई 1/3 ले मल्टिप्लाई गर्यो भने यो 3 र 3 क्यान्सल हुन्छ 1 आउँछ हामीले यो पिभट एलिमेन्टलाई चाहिँ 1 बनाउनु पर्ने छ यहाँ। अब हेर्नुस् है त के हुन्छ। अब यसपछि हामीले हेर्दै छौं, यसलाई चाहिँ हामीले R1 के भन्यौ त, R1 चेन्जेस इन्टु 1/3 R1 भन्यौ हामीले। सो हामी फेरि हेरौं, x1 x2 x3 x4 z RHS। हामी हेरौं, x1 हाम्रो हामीले यसलाई चेन्ज गर्नु छ। सो 2/3 बिकज 2 टाइम्स कति हुन्छ त, 2 टाइम्स 1/3 means 2/3. 3 times 1/3 is 1, and then 1 times 1/3 is 1/3, and then 0 times 1/3 is 0. So 0 times 1/3 is also 0. 13 times 1/3 is 13/3. यहाँ हेरौँ, हामी यसरी राख्छौँ यसलाई। यो हामीले बिचमा यसरी हामीले यस्तै कोठा बनाएर ताने पनि हुन्छ, अथवा हामीले यत्तिकै राखे पनि हुन्छ। अब यस्तै अरु हामीले जस्ताको तस्तै कपी गर्छौं। 3 2 0 1 0 12, and similarly we have 0 1 0, and then again 0. This is -7, and then this one is -5. Now again we have to apply, we have to make here 0 and then here also 0. So for this one, applying R2 changes into R2 minus 2R1. 2R1. Why we are doing so? हेर्नुस् है त, यो R2 भनेको 2 छ, 2 minus 2 times 1 हुँदाखेरि 0 आउँछ। यसलाई हामीले 0 बनाउनु पर्ने छ, त्यसकारणले R2 minus 2R1 युज गर्यौं। Similarly R3 changes into, this is -7, R3 plus 7R1. हेर्नुस् है त कसरी भयो। R3 means -7 plus 7 times 1 is 7, -7 plus 7 will be 0. यसलाई 0 र यसलाई 0 बनाउनको लागि हामीले R2 र R3 लाई चेन्ज गर्दै छौं। अब हेरौं है, again we have to write x1 same x1 x2 x3 x4 z and RHS. We have x1 is, we have x1 2/3, and then this one is 1 and 1/3. Similarly this one is 0, and this is also 0, and this 13/3. Now R2 changes into, R2 minus 2R1. Here R2 3 छ, 3 minus 2R1. हेर्नुस् है त, एकछिन हामी रफ हेर्न सक्छौं। 3 minus 2 times R1 means यो 2/3 छ, 2/3. So 3 3 is 9 minus 4, 5/3. So we can write 5/3. Similarly we have here 2 minus 2R1 means +2. So 2 minus 2 is 0. So here 0. This is R2. हेर्नुस् है, 0 minus 2 times 1/3 means minus 2/3. Similarly we have this one is 0, फेरि हेरौँ है, 0 1 minus 0 is 1 भयो। Similarly 0 minus 0 is also 0, and then 12 minus 2 times, हेर्नुस् है, 12 minus 2 times 13/3. So it means 3 times 12 is 36 minus 26 upon 3. It means 10 by 3. 10 by 3. Again, we have to change this third one row. R3 changes into R3 plus 7 R1 छ. 7 R3 means हाम्रो कति छ? R3 means minus 5 हेर्नुस् है. R3 means minus 5 and then R2 means plus 7 times plus यहाँ 7 times R1 छ. 7 times यो R1 भनेको 2 by 3. So we have 5 times 3 is minus 15 plus 14 by 3. So it's minus 1 by 3. So we can do this. Similarly, the next one, minus 7 plus 7 is 0. Similarly here, 0 plus 7 times 1 by 3 means 7 by 3. So here 0 times that's 0. So 1 plus 0 is 1. And then here 0 plus 7 times 13 by 3. So 91 by 3. 91 by 3 because 13 times 7 is 91. Let's separate it like this one. अब हेरौँ है त हामी हाम्रो यहाँ 1 0 0 त आइसकेको छ तर हाम्रो लास्ट हेर्नुस् त यो लास्ट हाम्रो रोमा here is माइनस आएको छ -1 by 3. सो यो चाहिँ हाम्रो फेरि अब हामीले फेरि रिस्टार्ट गर्नुपर्ने भयो. यो -1 by 3 हाम्रो चाहिँ के भयो त अब हेर्नुस् त यो मोस्ट नेगेटिभ इन्ट्री आयो. त्यसकारणले यो नेगेटिभ इन्ट्री हामीले लास्टमा ल्याउन हुँदैन. यसलाई हामीले फेरि अब पिभट एलिमेन्ट हामीले खोज्न पर्ने हुन्छ. So we have to write this is not optimal solution as the last row contains negative entry last row contain the negative entry. अब यसमा हामीले चाहिँ so this first column is the pivot column. So the first column is the pivot column. Since now we have to find the ratio this divided by this. So 13 by 3 divided by 2 by 3 is equals to 3 cancel. 13 by 2 means 6.5 comma the next one is 10 by 3 divided by 5 by 3 cancel and it comes 2 and 2 is smaller than 6.5. So we have 5 by 3. 5 by 3 is this 5 by 3 we have here. This one is the pivot element. Now again we have to make this one. This is 1 and this one is 0 and this one is 0. यसरी हामीले यसलाई 1 0 0 बनाउनु पर्ने हुन्छ. त्यसो गर्दाखेरि फेरि हाम्रो लास्ट यो इन्ट्रीमा चाहिँ लास्ट हाम्रो रोमा चाहिँ 0 आउँछ कि माइनस आउँछ कि आउँदैन भनेर हामीले फेरि ट्याली गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ. अब हामी यसलाई 1 बनाउनको लागि फर्स्ट ट्राई गर्दै छौं. 5 by 3 लाई 1 बनाउनको लागि हेर्नुस् है त 5 by 3 लाई 1 बनाउनलाई हामीले R2 चेन्ज गर्नु पर्यो. R2 चेन्ज इन्टु 3 by 5 R2 भन्नु पर्ने हुन्छ. So applying flowing R2 change into यसलाई 1 बनाउनको लागि 3/5 भयो भने 3 र 5 बोथ क्यान्सल गर्नको लागि माथि 3 तल 5 चाहिन्छ सो R2 change into 3/5 R2 नै भन्छौँ हामी अब यस अनुसारको टेबल बनाऊ हामी यसको लागि रब गरेर यहाँ टेबल बनाउँदै छौं because we have very few space now we have here x1 and then x2 x3 x4 z and RHS अब हेरौँ है त्यसमा x1 we have हामीले पहिले x1 लाई जस्ताको तस्तै कपी गर्छौं 2/3 1 फर्स्ट यो रो लाई हामी सेम कपी गर्दै छौं 1/3 0 0 13/3 now we have यो 5 by हेर्नुस् त यो 1 हुन आउँछ त्यस्तै यसलाई चाहिँ R2 change into 3/5 times 0 is 0 नै हुन आयो त्यस्तै हेर्नुस् त -2/3 times हाम्रो 3/5 गर्दा यो र यो क्यान्सल हुन्छ -2/5 आउँछ -2/5 त्यस्तै 1 times 3/5 गर्दा 3/5 नै हुन्छ त्यस्तै फेरि 0 times 3/5 गर्दा 0 हुन्छ so this 10 times 3/5 गर्यो भने यो र यो कट 5 ले 10 लाई 2 times here comes 2 लास्ट हामीले सेम कपी गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ this one is -1/3 this one is 0 and this one is 7/3 and this one is same 0 and this one is 1 and this one is 91/3 again we can write now we have to make this one is 0 so यो 0 R1 0 बनाउनको लागि R1 changes into हेर्नुस् त हामीले R1 -2/3 R2 गर्यौं भने के होला R1 यो 2/3 हुन्छ माइनस फेरि 2/3 R2 भनेको 1 छ त्यसकारणले R1 changes into R1 -2/3 R2 गर्छौं हामी त्यस्तै फेरि हामी सँगै R3 लाई पनि चेन्ज गर्दियौ हामीले R3 लाई यसलाई 0 बनाउनुको छ त्यसकारणले R3 changes into R3 plus यो माइनसमा छ त्यसकारण हामीले प्लस गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ R3 भनेको -1/3 छ त्यसकारणले +1/3 R2 गर्यौं भने हेर्नुस् त यो R2 भनेको 1 हो 1 times 1/3 -1/3 plus 1/3 हुन आउँछ and it comes 0 त्यसकारणले यो पनि 0 हुन्छ यो पनि 0 हुन्छ अब यो दुईटा 0 बनाउँदाखेरि अरु के हुन्छ हेरौं यो लास्ट हाम्रो फेरि रोमा 0 आउँछ कि आउँदैन हामी त्यो पनि हेर्नु छ अब हामी फेरि x1 then x2 x3 x4 z RHS हेरौं हामी x1 is 2/3 हेर्नुस् त यो हाम्रो चाहिँ R1 change into R1 minus 2/3 R2 मैले यहाँ देखाउन मिल्छ तपाईहरुलाई हेर्नुस् है R1 minus 2/3 R2 भनेको 1 त्यसकारणले यो 2/3 minus 2/3 भनेको कति आउँछ त 0 आउँछ सिमिलरली हियर R1 minus 2/3 minus 2/3 R2 भनेको 0 so 1 minus 0 हुन्छ 1 minus 0 is 1 similarly here 1/3 minus हेर्नुस् त 2/3 R2 2/3 R2 means times minus 2/5 छ हामीसँग त्यसकारणले माइनस र माइनस प्लस हुन्छ 2 times 2 4 5 times 3 15 so LCM 15 आउँछ 15 भनेपछि यहाँ कति हुन्छ 5 plus 4 9/15 5 plus 4 9/15 हुन्छ यसलाई 3 ले कट गर्छ 3 3 जा 9 3 5 जा 15 3/5 आयो so 3/5 हामीले यसरी निकाल्नु पर्ने हुन्छ त्यस्तै फेरि यसलाई हेर्नुस् है त यो हाम्रो R1 minus 2/3 0 minus 2/3 2/3 R2 भनेको 3/5 छ टाइम्स 3/5 यो क्यान्सल भयो माइनस 2/5 आयो हेर्नुस् त 0 माइनस 2/5 माइनस 2/5 त्यस्तै 0 0 भइसकेपछि द्याट्स अल्सो 0 नै हुन्छ सो सिमिलरली हियर 13/3 माइनस हाम्रो 2/3 R2 मिन्स हामीसँग 2 छ अब हामीसँग कति भयो हेर्नुस् त 13 माइनस 2 टाइम्स 2 इज 4 13 माइनस 4 भनेको हामीसँग 9 आयो 9/3 भनेको कति आउँछ 3 आउँछ सो वी हेभ 3 हियर we finished the first R1 अब हामीले फेरि R3 चेन्जेस को हेर्नु बाँकी छ R3 चाहिँ यो हेर्नुस् त -1/3 -1/3 प्लस 1/3 R2 भनेको 1 हो सो -1/3 प्लस 1/3 द्याट्स 0 हामीले सेकेन्ड जस्ताको जस्तै कपी गर्नुपर्ने छ 1 0 -2/5 3/5 0 and then 2 R3 मा हामीले हेर्दै छौं यो हाम्रो 0 आयो त्यस्तै 0 हेर्नुस् त 0 प्लस यो 0 प्लस यो 1 छ हामीसँग 1 टाइम्स 1/3 टाइम्स 1 भनेको 1/3 नै भयो प्लस 1/3 भयो त्यस्तै यो हेर्नुस् त यो R3 प्लस 1/3 फेरि एकपल्ट हेरौँ हामी यहाँ हाम्रो के छ भन्दा R2 चाहिँ हामीले यो चेन्ज गर्दाखेरि यो हाम्रो R3 चेन्ज 1/3 R2 हो 0 प्लस 1/3 0 हुँदाखेरि यहाँ के आउँछ यो 0 आउँछ हेर्नुस् है त्यस्तै यसमा हामीले हेर्दै छौं हेर्नुस् है 7/3 प्लस 1/3 टाइम्स -2/5 हो R2 भनेको त -2/5 हो त्यसकारणले अब यसमा हेर्नुस् त कति आउँछ 5 3 जा 15 एलसीएम आउने भयो 7 टाइम्स 5 35 -2 33 कति आउने भयो त 33/15 आउने भयो हेर्नुस् है फेरि एकपल्ट 5 टाइम्स 3 15 भयो यहाँ 7 टाइम्स 5 हो एलसीएम लिँदाखेरि 5 35 -2 33 3 ले 11 टाइम्स 3 ले 5 टाइम्स 11/5 so we have 11/5 similarly we have here 3/5 यो 0 छ 0 प्लस हामीसँग 1/3 टाइम्स 3/5 हेर्दाखेरि 3 र 3 क्यान्सल हुन्छ 1/5 similarly we have this plus this 0 भएकोले यहाँ 1 नै आयो similarly 91/3 plus 1/3 times 2 भनेपछि 2/3 भयो so 91 plus 2 means 93 93/3 यसलाई 3 times and 1 31 times कट गर्यो विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरु हेर्नुस् है त यहाँ हाम्रो यो लास्ट जुन कलम छ यसमा कुनै पनि नेगेटिभ टर्म्सहरु आएका छैनन् त्यसकारणले अब हामीले यसको चाहिँ आन्सर आयो भन्ने हामीलाई थाहा भयो त्यसकारणले since all the entries of the last row are non-negative so the optimal solution is obtained so the optimal solution is obtained therefore maximum here maximize भनेको छ z is equal to 5x1 maximize maximum z कतिमा छ त भन्दाखेरि हेर्नुस् त यहाँ z को maximum it's 31 at x1 is equal to x1 हाम्रो यो छ 2 and x2 is equal to 3. 2 and 3 यसरी हामीले चाहिँ यसको सल्भ गर्यौं. I think you are clear. This is very long question. Yes, this is long answer question of our class. Students, now we are going to start another one question of linear programming problems. Our question is using simplex method, maximize z is equals to 5x plus 3y subject to 2x plus y is less or equals to 40, x plus 2y is less or equals to 50, and x comma y is greater or equals to 0. So how can we solve this question by using simplex method? We have already solved such type of question by graphical methods, and then we have done many other questions which we got at first x1, x2, and then we suppose x3 and x4 slack variables, and then we solve by that way. Now this is a little slight different type of question. Here is no x1, x2, and then here is xy. So how can we solve such type of question? Okay, observe here. This is our question. Solution. यो क्वेशनमा चाहिँ हामीले अब सबभन्दा पहिला हामीले के सपोज गर्नुपर्छ तपाईहरुलाई थाहा भइसकेको छ. We have to suppose the slack variable. So let r and s be the non-negative slack variables the given. Now the given linear programming problem can be written or can be written in the standard form पनि भन्छौं हामी, written as that's 2x plus here is y plus we have slack variable r is equals to 40 this, and second one is x plus 2y plus s, I think you know very well, 50, and then third one we have this is z, so z is equal to 5x plus 3y which implies हेर्नुस् त यसलाई हामीले यसरी लेख्दै छौं 2x plus y plus r plus no s here, so 0 times s plus here is z also, so no z here in this first equation, so 0 times z is equal to 40, and the next one is we can write here x plus 2y plus 0 r, no r here in this second equation, plus s 1s, and then no z, so 0 z is equals to 50. Similarly on the last one, if we bring in this side, there will be minus 5x and then minus 3y similarly plus 0 r, no r there, plus 0 s also no s, plus z, we have z1, and is equals to, if we'll bring these all in this LHS side, then it will be 0 is equals to 0 RHS 0. Now we are going to write this in simplex table form, so we can write it here, then after we can draw here simplex table. So here we can write x, y, r, s, z, and then RHS. So let's look here. What is x? X coefficient of x is 2. So 2, and then here is 1. Here is 1. Then R is also 1. S is 0. R is 1. S is 0. 0. Z is also 0. Is equals to RHS is 40. Similarly, we have 1, 2, 0, 1. 1, 2, 0, 1. And then again 0 is equals to 50. Again, we have minus 5, minus 3. Minus 5, minus 3. And then 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, and Z is 1. Z there. So is equals to 0. Now, which one is the most negative entry? This one is the most negative entry. So here can write here minus 5 is the most negative entry. So first column is, so the first column, this first column is the pivot column. Since अब यसपछि त्यसो हो भने हामीले 40 डिवाइड बाइ 2 गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ. Since 40 divided by 2 is equal to 20, comma, similarly 50 divided by 1. 50 divided by 1 is equal to 50. And what did we get? 20 is less than 50. 20 is less than 50. First, therefore 2 is the pivot element. अब हामीले यो पिभोट जुन छ यसलाई चाहिँ पिभोट एलिमेन्टलाई हामीले के बनाउँछ त, यसलाई 1 बनाउँछ, अरु बाँकीलाई चाहिँ 0 0 बनाउनु पर्ने हुन्छ. अब हेरौँ है. R1 changes into 2 लाई हामीले 1 बनाउनको लागि 1/2 R1 गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ. R1 changes into 1/2 R1. अब हेर्नुस् है त, यसपछि हाम्रो यो टेबल x y R S Z RHS. So we have here 1 because R1 changes into 1/2 R1. So 1/2 times 2 is 1. So here this one 1/2 times 1 is 1/2. 1/2. त्यस्तै फेरि another also 1/2. R is also 1/2. And then we have S 0. So 0 times 1/2 is 0. And then Z is also 0. And then 40 times 1/2 is 20. You know, 40 like 2 ले cancel गर्यो. We have again 1, 2, 0, 1, 0, and then this one is 50. And third row is same, minus 5, minus 3, 0, 0, 1, and then 0. Now again we have to apply. Again applying R2 changes into R2 minus 1 छ यसमा. अब हेर्नुस् है, यहाँ हेर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ हामीले. यहाँ 1 छ, 1 minus 1 गर्नलाई R2 minus R1 गर्न मिल्छ. त्यस्तै फेरि comma R3 changes into यो यसलाई पनि हामी minus 5 लाई पनि हामीले के बनाउनु छ त, हामीले 0 बनाउनु छ. त्यसकारणले R3 plus 5 R1 गर्यो भने हेर्नुस् त के हुन्छ. R3 भनेको minus 5 plus 5 times 1 is plus 5. So minus 5 plus 5, that will be 0. So अब हामीले चाहिँ हेर्नुस् त X and then Y, R, S, Z and RHS. अब हेरौँ है त x फर्स्ट हामीले जस्ताको तस्तै लेख्नुपर्ने हुन्छ नो चेन्ज छ 1/2 1/2 and then 0 0 and this one is 20 now here 1 this one is 0 because r2 change into r2 minus r1 1 minus 1 is 0 so 2 minus 1/2 हेर्नुस् त 2 minus 1/2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1/2 गर्दा कति हुन्छ 2 to the 4 4 minus 1 3/2 similarly this minus 1/2 similarly this minus this 1 minus 0 is 1 and then 0 minus 0 is 0 50 minus 20 is 30 similarly here minus 5 plus 5 here r3 change into this is also 0 0 and then here this one minus 3 and we have to change plus 5 r1 plus 5 times r1 means 1/2 so 5/2 minus 3 means 3 times 2 minus 6 plus 5 is minus 1 by 2 यहाँ फेरि माइनस आयो हामीले अब फेरि अर्को फेरि प्रोसेस गर्न पर्ने हुन्छ हेर्नुस् है and then here 0 plus 1/2 0 plus 5 times 1/2 so 5/2 similarly 0 plus this so this is also 0 so 1 plus this also 1 so 0 plus I'm saying हाम्रो चाहिँ 5 times r1 means 20 so 5 times 20 is 100 we have here 100 here the solution is not optimal again here minus 1/2 this shows again we have to take this is the negative so this second column is the pivot column so let's look again हाम्रो जबसम्म 0 आउँदैन तबसम्म हामी यो जबसम्म यहाँ प्लस पुरै प्लस आउँदैन तबसम्म हामी गरिराख्नु पर्ने हुन्छ त्यसकारणले हामीले अब लेख्दै छौं यसपछि हेर्नुस् है त यहाँ the solution is not optimal as the third row contains negative entry again second column is the pivot column since हेर्नुस् त यो सेकेन्ड कलम हाम्रो पिभट कलम भयो यसमा अब पिभट एलिमेन्ट कुन हो भनेर हामीले फाइन्ड आउट गर्नु छ पिभट एलिमेन्ट फाइन्ड आउट गर्नलाई दिस डिवाइडेड बाइ दिस गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ 20 डिवाइड बाइ 1/2 so we can write 20 divided by 1/2 this is equal to 40 and next one is 30 divided by 3/2 30 divided by 3/2 this is equal to 30 divided by 3/2 2 माथि जान्छ त्यसकारणले यसको 20 हुन आउँछ and we can write and this is 20 this is 40 20 is less than 40 so अब हेर्नुस् त के आयो यसको so यसमा स्मलेस्ट कुन भयो भन्दा 20 भयो सेकेन्ड यो हेर्नुस् त यो चाहिँ स्मलेस्ट भयो त्यस 3/2 चाहिँ के भयो त अब पिभट एलिमेन्ट भयो so 3/2 is the pivot element for again we have to use सेम वे अगेन या जहिलेसम्म पोजिटिभ आउँदैन सबै पोजिटिभ आउँदैन तहिलेसम्म हामी यही मेथड प्रयोग गरिराख्नुपर्ने हुन्छ अब हेर्नुहोस् है त यसलाई हामी यसलाई पहिले हामी 1 बनाउनु पर्ने हुन्छ 3/2 लाई 1 बनाउला R2 चेन्ज इन्टु एप्लाइङ नाउ applying R2 change into 2/3 so 2/3 R2 यसमा 1 बनाउनलाई 2/3 ले गर्यो भने 2 2 क्यान्सल 3 3 क्यान्सल हुन्छ त्यसकारणले हामीले यो युज गर्यौं अब यसको के हुन्छ होला त हेर्नुस् है त यो वी क्यान राइट हामी अब यसपछि हामी यहाँ लेख्दै छौं x y r s z अनि RHS x भनेको हाम्रो कति छ 1 1/2 y and then this is also 1/2 0 and then this is also 0 and this is 20 and here is here we have 3/2 मा चाहिँ के हुन्छ 1 हुन्छ अब हेर्नुस् है त 0 मा के हुन्छ हाम्रो R2 चेन्ज 2/3 टाइम्स 2/3 छ त्यसकारण 0 ले 2/3 लाई मल्टिप्लाई गर्दा 0 भयो यसमा पनि हेर्नुस् त टाइम्स 2/3 गर्दा 2 2 क्यान्सल हुन्छ -1/3 आउँछ त्यस्तै फेरि यसमा पनि टाइम्स 2/3 गर्दा 2/3 नै हुन्छ so here 0 and then 30 times 2/3 so 10 times is 30 so 10 times 2 is 20 and then we have the last row is same 0 -1/2 5/2 also 0 1 and then 100 students now we have to change this also we have to make this 1 and this also we have to make 1 so applying again this R1 changes into R1 minus 1/2 R2 and R3 changes into R3 plus R3 plus 1/2 R2 यहाँ plus 1 minus 1/2 छ त्यसलाई 0 बनाउन लागि 1/+1/2 ले मल्टिप्लाई हामीले हेर्नुस् त यसलाई मल्टिप्लाई गरेर अनि एड गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ अब हेर्नुस् है त यसको के हुन्छ x y r s z and RHS now we have यो फर्स्ट मा हेरौं है त यसको 1 छ हामीले R1 minus 1/2 R2 भनेको छौं R1 minus 1/2 R2 भनेको 0 छ 1/2 times 0 is 0 so 1 minus 0 is 1 सेम भयो त्यस्तै 1/2 हेर्नुस् त 1/2 minus 1/2 times R2 भनेको 1 त्यसकारणले 1/2 minus 1/2 is 0 त्यस्तै फेरि next one we have R1 means we have here 1/2 minus 1/2 times very minus 1/3 so we have here minus plus 1/6 so 1/2 plus 1/6 so here 3 plus 1 4/6 4/6 भनेको 2/3 2/3 यस्तै यसलाई हेरौं this 0 minus 1/2 times 2/3 2/3 R2 भनेको त 2/3 हो 2 to cancel 0 minus 1/3 means minus 1/3 students now the next one is we have Z here is we have 0 so R1 changes into 1 by 2 R2. So 0 minus again 0 is 0. Now we have here another one. This is 20. So R1 minus 1 by 2 R2 is again 20. So this 10 times it cuts. So 20 minus 10 is 10. Again, we have to change R3. R3 change into 1 by 2 R2. So here R3 change into 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 R2. So 0 minus 0 is 0. Dear students, now we have to write this at first. 0, 1, minus 1 by 3. So 2 by 3, and this is 0, and this one is 20. Now third one. We have here this 0, 0 plus 1 by 2 of R2 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. Again, minus 1 by 2. Look carefully. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 of R2 plus 1 by 2 of R2 is 1. So minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. This is also 0. So we have 0, 1, 0. अब हेर्नुस् है त हाम्रो लास्ट इन्ट्रीमा चाहिँ नेगेटिभ आउन भएन. यदि आयो भने हामी फेरि गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ. हेर्नुस् है, यो हाम्रो म्याथको यो प्रब्लमको टाइप नै यस्तै हो. अब हेरौँ हाम्रो यसमा पक्कै नेगेटिभ नआउला. अब हामी यसमा हेर्दै छौं. R3 changes into R3 plus 1 by 2 R2 means minus 1 by 3. अब हेर्नुस् है त 5 plus minus minus 5 minus 1 by 6 भयो. यो एलसीएम लिनु पर्यो हामीले. 2 र 6 को एलसीएम 3 आयो. So 5 times 3 is 15 minus 1 14 by 6 भयो. So 14 by 6 means हामीले यसलाई क्यान्सल गर्यौं भने 7 by 3. 7 by 3. हेर्नुस् है त 14 by 2 2 ले 7 7 by 3 आयो. अब यस्तै 0. हेर्नुस् है R3 changes into 0 plus 1 by 2 R2 means 2 by 3. So 2 to cancel. So 0 plus 1 by 3. 0 plus 1 by 3 is 1 by 3. Similarly, this change into this plus this 0 हुने भयो. यसको त 1 नै आउने भयो. यस्तै गरी 100 plus 1 by 2 R2. R2 means we have 20. 1 by 2 R2 means 20. So this and this cancel 10. So 110 आयो. अब हेर्नुस् त हाम्रो यो लास्ट सबै यो लास्ट हाम्रो रो चाहिँ सबै पोजिटिभ आयो. त्यसकारणले हामी अब लेखौं since all the entries in the last row are non-negative. So the optimal solution is obtained. Therefore, maximum value of z is equals to 110. This is maximum value of z at x is equal to x is equal to 10 and then y is equal to 20. यसरी यो y 20 हामीले यसरी फाइन्ड आउट गर्यौं. Dear students, I think you know very well this is a long question of this linear programming. I hope these questions are enough for you for your exam as well as our course coverage.